Hello boys and girls, it's Georgi and you're watching Just Shake or Steer, another Sunday, another cocktail, or should I say two? Or maybe it's not right because it's gonna be one, but it's gonna be two versions. Anyway, anyhow, it's gonna be two drinks, and because the summer is coming, I think it's time to move to more refreshing, easygoing and easy to prepare drinks. And today I will prepare the Enzoni. What is Enzoni? I mean, probably most of you heard about it, but if not, it's basically kind of like Negroni, because you still have the gin in the Campari, but you don't have the vermouth. Instead of the vermouth, you have a wonderful, lovely, fresh lemon juice. And also a fresh grapes. On the other hand, I'm gonna prepare the White Enzoni, which is basically replacing the Campari, and in this case we're gonna replace it with Italicus Rosolio de Bergamotto. And before I start, I just want to mention, if you ever kind of wonder where you can get one of these merch, or maybe the t-shirt, or maybe a hoodie, down here on the screen there will be a link, and I'm gonna start sharing more and more some new upcoming designs and more exciting things on the channel. For now you can check this and check the description down below, because at the moment there is a 25% off of my merch, which is quite a good deal. Okay, get your t-shirts for the summer, or maybe a hat. Now, if you're ready, let's see what it's in our two Enzonis today. Okay, first ingredient is gonna be the green grape, preferably seedless. If you can find, it's fine. You can double strain the cocktail and you'll be absolutely fine. We'll double strain it anyway. Then you have a London dry gin. Now, to keep it in the standard of the Italian cocktail, I'm using Luxardo gin, which is Italian of course, but use your favorite gin. For the original Enzoni, we're gonna use Campari. For the White Enzoni, we're going to use Italicus Rosolio de Bergamotto, and of course we need some simple sugar syrup, and most of the recipes call for lemon juice, but I like to mix 50-50 lemon and lime juice. I find it much better for my taste. Anyway, however, you can just stick with the lemon, or if you prefer lime, just go with the lime. So I'm going to build both cocktails simultaneously, and then we're going to test them, and simple as that. So let's start building. Okay, first we start with our gin, and we have 30 ml of each, or 1 ounce. So both shakers. We'll put the gin, and then you're gonna pause for a second, because what we need to do here is grab our grape and get 5 to 6 grapes, depends how big it is, but 5 grapes should be absolutely fine. Drop it in the shakers. There you go, 5 in each. And get your muddler and break the grape. Now, you need to break the grape really nice. You need to extract every possible juice from the grape, because that's the whole point of the Enzoni, to have this wonderful grape flavor and a little bit of fruitiness. That is the only hard work in this cocktail. The rest of it is fairly easy. Okay. Beautiful. I'll put this on the side. And we go with the rest of the ingredients. So, first we're gonna start with the classic 30 ml or 1 ounce of the Campari. And of course, change your jigger, don't use the same, because you don't want the bitterness of Campari to mix with the Italicus. And you grab 30 ml of the Italicus for your White Enzoni. Then we have 20 ml of sugar syrup, or 2/3 of the ounce. And finally, a 30 ml or an ounce of the lemon and lime juice mix, or just a lemon juice or just a lime juice. Now most of the recipes is gonna require 20 ml of lemon and 10 ml of sugar syrup, but I like to keep it equal, the lemon juice or the lime juice with the spirits, and increase a little bit the sugar syrup. It's worked just perfect. Okay, so both shakers, it's ready. Fill it up with ice. We're gonna give it a good shake to break even more these grapes inside and chill it down proper. So give it a good shake for around 10-12 seconds. You want to break this grape inside, you want to chill really nice the cocktail, and of course we'll serve over a large cube of ice. So give it a good shake. Woo! Wonderful. Now we have on this side the classic Enzoni. On this side we have the White Enzoni. Them shakers can go like that. Grab your glasses and let's serve. Okay guys, so first of all, just to show you, this is what I use, a big large cube of ice, but you can use any ice, of course, it's absolutely fine. You can use chilled glasses like in this case, or you can just use glass straight away from the shelf, fill it up with ice and just serve your Enzoni. So first we're gonna start with the white. Now you can double strain if your strainer it's not, the spring it's not kind of a tight enough. My strainer, the spring, as you can see, it's pretty much no space, nothing to move through. If your strainer, the spring, it's the coil have a little bit more space, make sure you double strain, okay? Because you don't want any of the grape going inside in the glass. And there you go. This is the classic one. As you expected, it's a red because of the Campari. And finally, to garnish, just 3 green grapes on a stick and just put it on the top. And this is your White Enzoni and the classic Enzoni. Cheers, first with the classic. Ooh. It's just wonderful. I mean, if you like Campari, it's your drink. It's bitter, it's sweet, it's fruity, it's refreshing, it's zesty, everything what you need from the summer sip, okay? I'm kind of a little bit bending here. Let me just, come on you. Give a little bit up, so I can straighten. Okay, that's better. And of course, with the classic Enzoni, if you're not a fan of the Campari or you're like just on the verge of, do I like it or not? Enzoni, it's a good way to start because the grape and the lemon juice or the lime and the sugar syrup is gonna mellow down this bitterness of the Campari and it's gonna be more kind of friendly and approachable, okay? And then the White Enzoni. There you go. That's everybody drink for the summer, okay? You have the wonderful juniper from the gin, you have the Rosolio de Bergamotto, which have this extra bergamotto flavor and zesty, and of course a little bit touch of lavender. You have the grape again, the fruitiness, and it's just a wonderful summer sip anytime, literally anytime. So no matter which one you choose, both of them it's equally fantastic. And if you try both, just let me know which one is your favorite, which one is gonna be your winner and you're gonna stick to it through the summer. But if you like both, make both, okay? So have a wonderful weekend ahead of you. Stay safe as always. Make a shopping list to try these wonderful sips through the weekend and the summer. And don't forget to let me know and hit the like button if you like what you see. Do you want to subscribe? It's entirely up to you. I'm very thankful to everybody, 5,000 plus subscribers now on the channel. So if you want to become one of them, just click the subscribe button and welcome to the family. For now, as always, I love you and I leave you. Bye bye.